Guys, it's me Ashlyn, and today I'm going to be doing slime versus slime. And this is the first slime. It's a pink. Are you serious, Mom? Okay. It's a pink it's a pink butter slime. And it's very stiff, but Mom, stop. But it does rip kind of, but that's fine. Because I made it and I don't really care. Stop. Alright? My dog's just sitting there like this. Whoa. Sorry guys, I'm getting off focus. Okay. So, and it is not sticky like. Mom, stop. Okay. So. Oh, stop. So, it is very stiff. It's hard to go like this. And then, so this is the first slime. Okay, so now I'll get the other slime. It's more of like a bubbly slime. So, this is the second slime. I'm only going to be doing 2 slimes today because I'm kind of in a hurry, but whatever. So this one kind of rips too, but that's fine because I made it and I don't care. Again, so it has better poking noises than just this. I can't even go like that. It's like hard-ish. But this one is softer than that one. And it is a lot stretchier. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye-bye.